Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by Flight Deck crew, Captain Cruz and First Officer Esguerra, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
For passengers with onward